Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today we are going to talk about mornings. Mornings are special. They are the start of a new day. This video is about my morning routine. We will learn verbs and vocabulary about getting ready. Are you ready? Let's start. The first thing I do is wake up. Repeat after me. Wake up. Usually, I wake up at 7 a.m. I hear my alarm. Beep, beep, beep. I open my eyes slowly. My bedroom is quiet. The sun is coming through the window. It is a soft golden light. I am still in my bed. My bed is very comfortable. I have a soft pillow under my head, and I have a warm duvet covering me. A duvet is a thick blanket. I do not want to get up yet. It is too cozy here. So I stretch. I stretch my arms up high. I stretch my legs, and I yawn. Yawn! Now my body is waking up. Finally, I get out of bed. I put my feet on the floor. The floor is a little cold, so I put on my slippers. Slippers are soft shoes for inside the house. Now my feet are warm. Before I leave the room, I must do one thing. I must make the bed. I pull the sheets up. I arrange the pillows. Now the room looks tidy. Tidy means organized, clean. I like a tidy room. It makes me feel calm. Now I walk to the bathroom. It is time to wash up. The bathroom is bright and clean. I look in the mirror. I see my face. My hair is messy. Messy means not organized. It is crazy hair. First, I brush my teeth. I need two things. I need a toothbrush and I need toothpaste. My toothpaste tastes like mint. It is fresh. I put the paste on the brush and I brush. Up and down, left and right, round and round. I brush for 2 minutes. It is important to have clean teeth. Then I rinse my mouth with water. The water is cold. Ah, that feels good. Next, I wash my face. I use warm water and a gentle soap. I splash the water on my face. It wakes me up completely. I dry my face with a towel. Repeat after me. Towel. My towel is fluffy and soft. Now it is time for skincare. Do you have a skincare routine? I use a moisturizer. Moisturizer is a cream. It keeps my skin soft. I put a little bit on my face and I massage it in. Ideally, I also use sunscreen. Even if it is cloudy, sunscreen protects your skin. Now, I look in the mirror again. My teeth are clean. My face is fresh. I am ready for the next step. I go back to my bedroom. It is time to get dressed. I open my closet. Closet or wardrobe. This is where I keep my clothes. What should I wear today? I look out the window. Is it sunny? Is it raining? Today, it looks a little bit cloudy and maybe a little bit cool. So I need warm clothes. I want to be comfortable. I choose a pair of jeans. Blue jeans. They are classic. and I choose a sweater, a big knit sweater. The color is cream or maybe beige. It feels like a hug. I love wearing sweaters in the morning. I also need socks. I put on my socks, one foot, then the other foot. Now I am dressed. Oh wait, I almost forgot. I need to brush my hair. I use a hairbrush. I brush my hair until it is smooth. Now I look ready. I feel good. I feel confident. Do you plan your outfit the night before, or do you choose in the morning? I always choose in the morning. It depends on my mood. Now for the best part of the morning, breakfast. I go to the kitchen. My kitchen is my favorite room. It smells like coffee. First, I need caffeine. I make coffee. Do you drink coffee or do you drink tea? I take my kettle. I fill it with water. I turn it on. Click. I wait for the water to boil. Bubble, bubble, bubble. While I wait, I get my favorite mug. A mug is a big cup for hot drinks. I pour the hot water over the coffee. The smell is amazing. It smells rich and dark. I add a little bit of milk. I stir it with a spoon. Clink, clink, clink. I take a sip. It is hot and delicious. Now I need to eat. I am hungry. Usually I have something simple. I make toast. I put 2 slices of bread in the toaster. I push the button down. I wait. Pop. The toast jumps up. It is golden brown. I put the toast on a plate. I take a knife and I spread some butter. The butter melts on the hot bread. Sometimes I add jam, strawberry jam. It is sweet and crunchy. I sit down at the table. I eat my toast. I drink my coffee. It is quiet. I do not check my phone. I do not watch TV. I just enjoy the silence. This is a peaceful moment. Breakfast is finished. My stomach is full. Before I start my work, I do one more thing. I plan my day. I take my notebook and I take a pen. I sit at the table. I write the date and I write a to-do list. To-do means things I must do today. For example, number 1, go to the supermarket. Number 2, study English. Number 3, call my mother. Number 4, walk in the park. Writing a list helps me organize my mind. If I write it down, I do not forget. It makes me feel productive. Productive means I am doing good work. Now I check my bag. Do I have my keys? Yes. Do I have my wallet? Yes. Do I have my phone? Yes. I am ready. My morning routine is complete. I am ready to start the day. I feel calm. I feel happy. And I feel prepared. Thank you for spending your morning with me. Did you like this routine? What is your morning routine? Do you drink coffee? Do you make your bed? Tell me in the comments below. Please like this video if you learned new words and subscribe for more slow English. Have a beautiful day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.